here out at Yellow Banks are one of my local areas where there's a few backpacking sites. This is where I like to do some gear testing. So out here, I'm gonna set up my son's hammock and the quilts that we just made, just to kind of make sure that they cover right and fit well. You can see it's a snowy, cold day out. First day of March, actually. About 20 degrees with a little bit of wind, so it's cold out the wind, but back here in the trees is pretty nice. Well, we got about a quarter-mile walk up to the campsites here, and we'll get this set up and see how things work. Okay, so you can see setup's complete. Tarps, hammock, you see my underquilt, and then my the top quilt for my son's setup in here. So this is pretty much what it looks like once it's all set up. I shot a quick time lapse of the setup process. Didn't take too long. Again, expecting some nice improvements out of this. Now, the wind's mostly coming from the west here. This is the west here, but I am getting a little bit of a draft coming in from the north. But I did go ahead and sit in here earlier, and it is not too bad. See if I can dust these shoes off here with all the snow. See how cold my feet get. Okay, so just a shot from inside the hammock here. I've been laying here for probably about 10 minutes just to kind of see how it feels, give it a little, quick little test drive. So pretty warm. I do need to make a few adjustments. The secondary suspension and the end bungee cords are way too tight right now, so I'm getting a little bit too much compression underneath the quilt. So what happens is my butt's a little cold just because I'm not getting the loft that I need right there. There's just too much pressure, and it's all bunched up. Should be an easy fix. Just going to be an adjustment that I have to do at home. But that being said, temperatures right now they're maybe 20 degrees, and really, hopefully I don't have to take this up to that low of temperature. Really, our goal is to take it no lower than 30 degrees or below freezing. But it's nice to know that it should be able to handle it, especially this top quilt. This top quilt feels like it's warmer than mine, which would make sense. It's got about a half an inch more loft than my setup does. So hopefully my son should like it. It should work, especially for our needs, and will be a good test for it when we get to Kentucky. Okay, so we're just heading back to the car now. My feet are finally starting to get a little cold. I've been out here for a couple hours. But overall, it's been a nice little hike. If you're in the Des Moines area or live in the Des Moines area, it's a nice place to check out, especially if you're into hammock camping. Most of the sites back here are great for hammocks. It's only maybe a quarter to half mile walk back here, so it's really easy to come out here and test some gear. But I think it's about time to get back home and get some stuff done. Alright, well, we'll talk to you all later. Happy hiking.